So let's look at this word problem. So a construction engineer determines that a straight road must rise vertically 45 meter over a 250 meter distance measured along the surface of the road. It tells you in this example that this represents the hypotenuse of the right triangle. Calculate the angle of elevation of the road. So he's saying that there is a road and that road has to have a vertical rise of 45 meters. Vertical means this, right? So that means I know that it's going to have a vertical rise of 45 meters. Now it tells you that the distance of the surface of the road is going to be 250 meters, and that represents the hypotenuse. So if I draw my triangle here, this is basically my road, right? And that road is 250 meters. Does that make sense to you guys? Where's my right angle? Now, calculate the angle of elevation of the road. So which angle? I'm going to call this A, B, C. Which angle is the angle of elevation? Angle A, right? Because remember that an angle of elevation is the angle measured from the horizontal up, right? So this is your horizontal line right here. And then this would be your angle of elevation measured up. Is this my angle of interest or focus?
Focus.
This is the angle of focus, right? If I call it interest just because other books call it angle of interest. So, did I draw my picture?
Yeah.
Perfect. Now what do I need to do after that?
Determine the choice ratio.
I have to label my triangle first. Which one is my adjacent, which one is my hypotenuse, which one is my opposite. Okay? So my angle of focus is right here. Where is the opposite side to it?
45 meters.
The 45 meter. Where is the hypotenuse? 250. And then the other one is the adjacent. Do I need to write the adjacent, or do I know the opposite and the hypotenuse and that's it?
Oh, yeah, that's it.
I don't need to write adjacent. You can, but you don't. Okay? The two sides that you know are your opposite and your hypotenuse. So which trig ratios are you going to use?
Sine.
Sine. Because sine is the one that goes so, ka, toa, right? Sine is the one that has the opposite and the hypotenuse. And this is the one I know. I know the opposite, I know the hypotenuse. So I'm going to use sine angle theta equals to, opposite is 45, and the adjacent is 250. So what's 45 over 250?
0.18. 0.
And what do I do to find angle theta?
Inverse.
And what would be my answer? What's your answer?
0.18.
No, do you use sine inverse?
10.
10.
10.
10 degrees. Since this is a word problem, I must have a therefore statement, so I'm going to say therefore the angle of elevation of the road is 10